Hey there, welcome back. Annika here from Annika's DIY Life, and today I have for you a super easy fun project. This pencil holder. It is made from plexiglass and wood and has really simple clean lines, and you will be surprised how easy it is to make. So let's get started. I started out by cutting 3 1x4 boards to 9 inches length. Next, I marked and cut them down diagonally. I used my blade runner for this, but you can also use a jigsaw or a table saw. Then, I attached the sides to the base of the pencil holder using wood glue and finished nails. It is important to make sure that you don't go too close to the narrow end. You don't want any nails sticking out on the other side. Next, it is time to cut up the plexiglass. It is easy to cut up the plexiglass on the blade runner or using a jigsaw. The key is to make sure that there is not a lot of vibration, as that will lead to cracking. I cut up the pieces for the long sides, the short sides, and the middle dividers. Time to put it all together. I did stain the wood before attaching all the plexiglass, so you can use whatever stain or paints you like. Start by attaching the long sides. Peel off the protective covering and apply the glue. I used the clear grip adhesive, and you can find a link to it in the description below. Be sure to follow the instructions on the glue to get the strongest bond. And be sure to use a very thin amount of glue on the sides of the plexiglass, because you don't want it squeezing out and creating a mess on your plexiglass. I went ahead and attached all the sides and the center dividers the same way. Leave it to cure overnight, and that's it. The pencil holder is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment telling me what you liked about the project. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any fun future videos. Until next time, bye!